Nifty Pre Open for the 6th Jan 2023 seems to be a bit bleak, where the Indian markets are actually following the footsteps of Asian markets and the US markets. US markets have already lost about 1% and higher in yesterday's session, and there was blood shed all over the place in US markets. S&P was down 44%, 1.17, and Nasdaq was down 1.59%, and Dow Jones was down 1%. And all of a sudden, Japanese market have picked up some steam. Japanese market is up by 124 points, that is 0.48%. However, we may see that the market, that is the Nifty, may see some resistance at the higher levels as of now. Let me explain why. I will show you two perspectives. First of all, this is the 5 minutes chart of Nifty with the Bollinger Band. Look at the market. The market have actually come all the way downer within the range of Bollinger Band, and Bollinger Band actually seems to be threatening the market to reduce its range. So from the highs, it's coming down all the way to the lows. Whenever it actually falls, the lows act as the place where the market actually falls up to. However, the highs are acting as resistances as of now. This is a way how the bear market actually works. When the market is actually going all the way higher and just keeps on going higher, that's the bull market. So this is the 5 minutes chart perspective, and look at the markets. Whenever it's falling all the way to the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band is falling as well. However, we have reached the higher level of Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band will push the market downer from here. So when this happens, the negatives all of a sudden pop up, and we will actually go down or bow down to the negatives in the market. So that being said, let us see the 1 minute chart, where we are actually standing with supports and resistances. As of now, supports are 17,970 because we closed at 17,992. Since there was a carnage yesterday, there was a bloodshed all over the place. Look at the market. The market went all the way downer to 17,892 levels, which is almost near to the 17,860 levels, which is the support zone. And we actually came all the way up from 17,892 to 17,992. That is 100 points of great recovery in the market. The market has all the way gone up in the last part of the session, and now the market holds the supports at 17,970, 17,866, and 17,816, and 17,737 levels. Those are the supports in the reverse chronological order, and the resistances in the chronological order: 18,000, 18,068, 18,124, 18,159, and 18,206 levels. Look at the trend line. The trend line of negativity is actually tracking the market on a downer side. It is keeping the market down, and the higher trend line is acting as resistance as of now. The line at this red line, this is the Bollinger Band, lower band, and when it actually touches this particular band, it acts as support. Let us see if the lower level, that is the 17,866 levels, will act as support. We have given that support, and there is one more support at 17,737 levels. Those are great supports as of now for the market Nifty to hold up. If Nifty can hold up these levels, then probably we will move all the way upside towards the 18,400 mark, and probably towards the all-time high as well. However, there are fears of IMF showing up the recession fears again and again, and there are also COVID fears which are actually gripping the market so that it actually falls. So that being said, this is the Nifty pre-open analysis for 6th Jan 2023. I will see you in this video, where I will teach you the steps to make a strategy for yourself for options trading, and I'll see you in this video.